Traveling colors. What do we need? Let's get started. Fill 3 glasses with water and add 6 drops of red color in the first glass, 6 drops of yellow color in the second glass, and 6 drops of blue color in the third glass. Fold 4 tissues to form a 1-inch strip each. Add empty glass between red and yellow glasses and between the yellow and blue glasses. Bend the tissues to form a V shape. Place half of it in the filled glass and the other half in the empty glass. Leave the glasses for 4 hours. Did you see how the colors travel to the other glasses, creating new colors? Scientific explanation. Tissues absorbs the colored water and allow it travel to the other glass. This is called capillary action. When primary colors mix, they create secondary colors.